What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Nazi back with another video, and for my subs out there, what's going on Noisies? It's your boy Nazi. We got a very new Stray Kids reaction for you guys. This time it is The Sound. Now this is one of their Japanese releases, very new, like literally came out a day ago. So with that said, let's hop into it, and I think this is the only Japanese track that they have so far. So let's see what they got. I know it's gonna be, I already know it's gonna be heat. It's Stray Kids. Let's go. Yo, they got like the clock form. Oh. Yo. Yo. Okay. That was he. Come on, talk to me, 808. Bro, I love how they go with like the rock style for this song. That was sick. That was sick. Stray Kids, you did it again. You did it again. Y'all have done it again. I've done it again, bro. That was heat. Oh my gosh, I liked how this was like more of a rock sound to it. Haven't heard too many, K-pop songs with a more rock sound to it besides that one LE SSERAFIM song, No Celestial. That was like the only other one that I heard was like close to like that heavy metal sound to it. I thought it sounded really good though. I also liked the effects, of course, because that's my home right there, doing effects and stuff. I thought it was cool how they mainly shot in like one room, how everybody was like in one room, and they had like the I don't know what that was flying across the room, but that was pretty cool. That effect was pretty cool. But yeah, I like the song, and I'm trying to think of other things too that stood out in the music video. Oh, also with the lightning bolt, bro, that was cool. And I noticed how like in their No Easy track, well, their No Easy album, that the album cover had like lightning behind it. So I don't know if it's like a Stray Kids thing that they always like mess with like the lightning or something like that, but they always have like lightning in some form or fashion in their music videos, most of them. So I thought that was cool how they also stick to that part. And yeah, it's all this stuff that I thought about that. And I need to like look at the lyric video for that or something so I can know what they were saying. But it was cool though. It was cool. But guys, you know what it is. Remember to leave a like if you liked the video. Drop a sub. Your boy would appreciate it. Hit the noties and comment something. Comment another song for me to react to, because I love when you guys give me songs to react to, because I wouldn't have the reactions without you guys. So I appreciate you guys so much. It's been your boy Nazi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.